Walking into a room where this massive desktop speaker is playing music feels less like turning on a gadget and more like front row seats at a live gig. Look, nobody buys a Marshall home audio unit for subtlety, and this generation leans right into that reputation with a redesigned acoustic setup that pushes the soundstage noticeably wider than the previous model. Those angled tweeters do some heavy lifting, spreading crisp highs across the entire space without feeling harsh on the ears. And honestly, the sheer authority behind the 150 watts of power coming through here is wild. You can crank the volume well past comfortable apartment levels, and the bass stays remarkably tight, rarely muddying the mids. Now here is the catch though, because you are dealing with a hefty cabinet meant to sit firmly on a floor stand or a sturdy piece of furniture, it demands a bit of dedicated floor space. Plus, keep that water bottle far away, because there is zero waterproofing built into this rock and roll aesthetic. Pairing a phone or tablet to the device takes zero effort, keeping things strictly business without forcing anyone to wade through clunky companion software just to stream a playlist. The Bluetooth 5.2 hardware inside means the connection stays rock solid even from another room, though there is still a trusty 3.5mm jack tucked right on top for old-school wired setups with a turntable or portable media player. What stands out just as much as the audio tuning is the eco-conscious shift happening underneath that textured vinyl wrap and brass control panel. The makers stripped out the PVC entirely, relying instead on 70% recycled plastic and strictly vegan materials for the build, which feels like a genuinely thoughtful nod to modern sustainability without ruining that iconic vintage stage gear look. The tactile brass knobs for bass and treble control have a satisfying resistance when twisted, though turning them too fast can sometimes reveal a tiny delay before the sound profile catches up. So yeah, for anyone hunting down a renewed unit that delivers massive room-filling stereo presence with zero fuss and zero guilt about plastic waste, this one certainly earns its keep in the living room.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.